get a lot of help from your supervisor. They're really experienced.
It was important to speak to library support about learning where to find papers and articles and stuff, and how to use the search engines properly.
Ask all the PhD students in your department because they've been there, so they can offer a lot of help.
Time management, and within that to stay focused.
So for academic skills, definitely try different workshops offered by university.
Because I'm the sort of person that I will start to read something, and before I know where I am, I'll be off down a rabbit hole.
Some funded project, they may offer places for non-funded students, and then you might want to try that as well.
I did a lot of training courses with the IT training services, and they were really good for helping you get through various programs and things that you need.
The really important things are learning how to do searches in the library on the database.
ESRCs offer free training for new non-funded PhD students, and then you might want to get involved because their modules are really helpful.
IT services, they're really good. Researcher development online, which I think is part of the doctoral college.
The library have been really, really good. Because I've been able to go back to them, and so I've had a session on using EndNote, and then when I couldn't work it, I could just email them back, and they've been great.
Warwick has a thing called SkillsForge. I think it's just for PGR students, but that's a really useful kind of database online, and that has all the courses from the library, from IT, from researcher development, and that's all in one place.
Finding a software package for referencing that you can use.
They do them on pretty much any topic that you can think of. From dealing with your supervisors to practicing your upgrade to doing academic writing to note-taking, various different things.